Hello, Randall Postiglione. This is for Joliet Montessori Adolescent House. And today, once again, is April 6, 2020. Hopefully you saw my last video introducing what we're going to do today and what we've done with interest, compound interest, and simple interest. Okay, what I'm going to do in a second here is I'm going to pick up my laptop. I'm going to move it to the screen, pause your computer, okay, copy down what's on that screen, and then we'll take it from there, okay. I'm picking it up, okay, and I'd like you to copy this. Okay, pause your screen. All right, hopefully you got that. Okay. And I'm hoping, I've been saying this all along. I'm hoping you guys are taking notes. Okay. I'm going to look at them. All right. Students will be able to use compound interest formulas. We introduced a lot of formulas, okay, last week and the week before. Those first few YouTube videos, I had interest, simple interest, compound interest, even continuous compound interest. Okay, that gets into more high school math, okay, high school algebra. I even did some of that stuff with Algebra 2 and pre-cal. Okay, when you talk about population growth or decay. We're not going to get into that very much. I would like some of you to attempt it. Okay, and if you have any questions, as usual, contact me. Okay, the students will be able to, the second one is calculate percentage increase and decrease. Okay, I'll talk about that in a minute. I want to go over the Gracie problem here because this is very close. All I did is just change from Brenda to Gracie. Okay, this was on that worksheet that I sent you the link to. Okay, today I'm going to send you an attachment for some increase and decrease, percentage increase and decrease problems. Okay, if ever you want practice, just go to CUTA, KUTA, and put in what you want to practice with, and they'll give you a worksheet. Okay. All right. Gracie invests $4,848 in the savings account. Okay, so it sounds like she's going to be making money, right? It's a fixed annual interest rate of 5%, so she's making 5 cents on every dollar, right? It's compounded twice a year, not every year, but twice a year, every 6 months. What will the account balance be? That's the A, right? After 6 years. All right, let's take a look at this. All right, the formula. A, the amount. In this case, it's the ending balance. All right, are we close enough? Hope you can see that. All right, the principal. Well, the principal is what she started with. Looks like 4848. Okay, then we have the one going to add the principal. Okay, it's going to include in the final answer. Interest. Okay, was IERT. This just, when you did this, when you multiplied these, you just got the interest. Well, this formula here, okay, isn't simple interest, and it gives us the ending balance. Okay, gives us the accumulated wealth. All right. All right, so that's what the 1 is for. Then we've got the rate. Okay, the rate in this case is going to be 5%, 0.05. Now the number of compoundings is it's not going to be 1, it's 2, right? So I get the 2 under here. And then we have NT, right? We have NT up here. The N is still 2, but the T is the number of years of the term. Okay? The term in this case, what did we say here? 6 years? 6 years. So I'm going to put a 6 here. All right. Now, if you set this up this way on your homework, on your worksheet, I'm fine with that. Okay. The rest is working with your calculator. You got to know your calculator. What I got here as an answer was $6,520.02. Okay, and that's what you should have gotten, or pretty close to it. Okay, now notice Gracie started with almost 5,000, 48, but she ended up after 6 years with $6,500 and change. Okay, so this is how money is made, guys. Okay, compound interest. Okay, next. And I want to keep reiterating. This is money that was made. Okay, it could have been money that was charged, because if Gracie borrowed this money, okay, now she's got to pay this much back. You see, it's it goes both ways. All right, I'm going to erase this. Remember, you can always pause the video. I want to talk about just real quickly. We got the coronavirus, right? All right. No, I think I have it on here. Yeah. Here. Let me show you this problem. This is problem 2. Okay. Pause. Copy. Okay. All right. Hopefully you got that. It says, in a major city in the U.S., the number of COVID-19 cases has increased from 1,500 to 2,000 in the month of March. Okay, what was the percent increase of these cases? Okay, I can't tell you how many people, adults, okay, I can't tell you how many people think that, went up 500, so 500 over 2,000 is 1/4, okay, so 1/4 I know is 25%. So I can't tell you how many people think that it's 25% increase. And it's not. Okay, it's not. Here's the trick. Yeah, you subtract the 1,500 cases from the 2,000, you get 500. Okay, but you don't put it over the 2,000, you put it over the 1,500. So you've got 500 over 1,500. This is 1/3 as a percent. Okay, this is 33.33%. And that's the answer. Okay. Now, what really blows people's minds is, what if it went from 2,000 to 1,500? What if there was a reduction? What if there were a decrease? Okay. Well, let's look at that. We're still getting 500, but because we're going from 2,000 to 1,500, now we put the 500 over the 2,000. Okay. Now it's 1/4. Now it's a 25% decrease. 33 1/3% increase because you're starting with a different number. You're starting with 1,500. Over here, you're starting with 2,000. You see? So this is a 25% decrease. And hopefully that's going to happen real soon. That we're going to start seeing decreases, okay, instead of increases. You probably hear them talking about, oh well, in 2 weeks it's going to peak. What they're talking about is that increase, okay, that increase of the mortality rate, the cases, okay, hopefully that's going to peak in a few weeks and then it's going to start decreasing. Okay, we hope. All right, now, along with this video, I've attached a worksheet. Again, it's for the most part, it's a CUDA worksheet. I changed things a little bit, but I'd like you to do that. And if you have any trouble at all, contact me. Okay. So this was a pretty quick one. You see, I've got let's talk about compound interest. I've got my name down here for the YouTube video. And if you haven't already seen the other videos, come on, you got some work to do. Okay. Some of the videos that come later last week were kind of hard. Okay. Like I said in the last video, do as much as you can, no pressure. Okay, no pressure. You're gonna get out of these videos, you're gonna get out of anything in life what you put into it. Okay? It goes for your learning, it goes for your schooling. Okay? Hope all is well. Take care of yourself. Get a little air outside, yeah, but shelter in place. Okay? Stay away from people. All right, take care.